point is called, okay, when we work on PowerPoint, there is so many slides available there and we work on slide by slide. For example, here is the insert option. If you want to more than one slide, just click on insert. And here the option is insert slide. That is option is new slide. When you click on new slide, you just take any one section from this particular section. Here we want to just blank, just click on this. And here different types of properties also available with your slide. For example, when we click on this, we'll get these types of organization charts. We can use any one for our presentation. If we want two blocks, here the next option, that is two blocks. These types of format available there. These are the different types of layout and we can choose any one according to our requirements. Okay. If
Yes, sir.
inserting the slide, if we want to change the outlook or layout of the slide, just click on layout and here are the different types of layouts available there. For example, when you click on blank, it will show like this. Okay. And if you want to just different layout, just click on this, you will get these types of layout. So firstly, add the title in the text box like this. For example, women empowerment. Here. And after that, if you want to just add some image, here's the option is table. When you click on insert table, you will get the table format and it will show how many numbers of rows and columns do you want. So here we want 10 columns or 3 columns and 10 rows. Just type the number like this manner and click on OK. After clicking this, you will get the number of rows and columns according to your value. For example, if you want to just add some content, just click on this and type here like this, roll number. Using tab to move on the next row, that is name of student, and using tab, that is result. And after using tab, you just go to add the data like this manner. Okay, one by one like this. Okay, here we add only few data like this. Clear concept? So here's the first
Yes, sir.
that is table. When you click on next slide, here we want to just another layout, just click on the same layout, that is title and content. When you click here, you will get the same outlook or layout. And here we use first topic like this. First topic or introduction you can also use. Here the second option is that is chart. When we click on insert chart, you will get the chart like this manner. And you can select any chart for your PowerPoint presentation. You can choose that is the
some relationships are never to.
okay. You will get the chart in this format and it will also provide the table for the chart. Here we just added the particular cell and we get the chart in this particular section. Here we type that is a name and Hindi, English and maths. According to our headings, the chart will automatically change. Okay, here we type the name Amita, you will easily observe the name. Okay, here's the marks and we just press enter, type Sonia, then second marks like this. Mamta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the chart data and here we want to just add another column. Just click on here and just type science. A next block is also come with that and just type the number like this. You will get the another block in this particular chart. Okay, so we can add the chart data by using this and after inserting the data, just close this particular section. You will get a chart like this manner. And if you want to just edit the chart title, just click here and type your content like this. Student record like this. Clear? And similarly, we just click
Yes,
on
sir.
the slide and here is the next option, that is same layout. When you click on this and here is the third option, that is insert smart art graphics. When you click on insert smart art graphic, you will get these types of format. You can select any one. Different types of hierarchy is also available. Here we choose cycle and just click on this and click on OK. You will get the format like this. And here is our second slide. That is second slide. Second
Slide.
topic or slide. And here we just, you can click on this and we just added the particular section or values A, B, C, D, and E. And if you want to just change the format, I have already told you, just click on design and you will get the different types of design like this. And after inserting these types of format, if you want to just change the color, just click on this, you will change the color like this. Clear? These are the options.
Yes, sir.
Chart like this, or this is the classification chart. And next slide, when you click on fourth slide, you will get the next, that is the third topic or third slide. And here we have the two options available. We want only a single object, so we just change the layout by using this and click on title and content. We'll get the like this. And here we change the, that is the next option, that is 3D model. That is 3D model. When we click on 3D model, it will not support this particular software. So we click on the next chart. No, sorry, next option, that is picture. When you click on picture, you can insert any picture for your slide like this and click on insert. You will get this. And you just maximize the picture like this manner. And after that, just click on this and similarly just repeat the process, title and content. And that is our fourth slide. And use the next, there is the online picture. If we click here, we get the online picture from the website. So we don't need like this. We just download previously, then we just add on this particular section or in this particular slide. And if you want to just add video clip, just here's the option is insert video. When you click on insert video, you will get the video link, and here's the different formats also available for video. So firstly, just click on the particular folder where you just save the folder. That is documents. Let's click on this, and here's the documents, and here's the videos. You will get the, when you click on PC, then you will get the videos. Just double click on this, and here's no video. That's why we can't insert this particular video. So we have to just go on desktop, and there are some videos available there. You can choose. Here are the two videos available there. Here we select this and click on insert. You will get the video in this particular section. Just click on OK. It is inserting. I think video is too long, so that side will not support. I will take this in next class. Okay, doesn't matter. And here's the next option, insert an icon. If you want to just insert the icon, here's option is by which you just insert the Twitter icon or Facebook icon. So these are the simple, we just take a screenshot and just place these types of object in our slide. Clear concept? For example, if you want
Yes,
to,
sir.
if you want to just insert the symbol, just delete it. And here's the option insert. And here's the option is screenshot. These are the screenshot. And you will get the screenshot. When you click on this, you will get the data, and we just drag this like this manner, and you will get the icon by using insert screenshot. Okay. So these are the options available in the home menu, and here's the different types of layout. So according to your requirement, you can choose anyone. Okay. And next we want to just insert a new slide or the next slide, just press Control+M. Control+M is the shortcut key to insert the new slide. Okay. If we change some format in this particular layout, for example, we delete this particular section and we just want to retrieve the delete content or delete object, just click on reset. We will get the previous layout When we click on reset like this, you will get the previous layout. For example, by mistake, we just delete this and delete this. And if you want to just reset the layout, just click on reset, you will get the reset like this. Okay. And just type here, thank you. And we will just want to delete this particular section like this. Okay. So these are the slide objects. And after that, if you want to just edit some content, here the next options is available there. That is section. What is the use of section? Here are the different types of section. For example, if we want to just distribute our presentation in some section, firstly just place your cursor on the first slide and we can divide it into multiple sections. When you click on this, we'll click on add, it will provide a section name. You just enter the section name like this. It is introduction. Okay, this is our first section like this. And if you want to just insert a second section, if you want to just divide this particular in the second section, just click on this slide and again just click on, and here's the add section. And when we click on this type, that is first or second section, So by this we can just subdivide it into section of our presentation. So when we click on this like this, it will hide the particular slides which comes in this particular slide, okay, which are comes in this particular section. So we want to just work on this, just hide this, and we just click on this, we'll get only the slide of the second section. So by this option, we can easily manipulate the slide and we can work easily by section. Clear? So firstly, we divide the
Yes, sir.
section and we will just work on different section by choosing like this. Okay. And here's the next option, that is after completing your presentation, here's the option is to remove all section. When we click on remove all section, it will become a single section. When you click on here, you will get like this. It becomes normalized. Okay. It will merge the section. Okay. And here's the next option, that is collapse all. When we click on collapse all, it will hide all the slide view from this particular section. If you want to just expand all, we will get all the slide like this manner. This is a thumbnail of any slide or of your presentation. Okay, understood? So that is the use of section. And if you want to just remove the section or remove name, just go for this option and just remove section or collapse or expand. Here we just remove all sections. Click here, it will become normalized. Okay, understood? And after that, we will just want to take a screen show or slide show. Just press F5. When you press F5, you will get the look on whole window and just press enter. You will get the slide one by one by using this. Okay, and just press escape to come out from the presentation view or slideshow view. F5 is the shortcut key to slideshow. Okay, if you want to just add some design with our slide, just click on this, and here the option is design. When we click on design, there are different types of designs available for your presentation. You can choose any one for your slide. There are different types of designs available there. According to your project, according to your presentation, you can select any one, and it will automatically apply on every slide of your presentation. Clear? If you want to just color of the slide, here's the option is format background, or you can also select the color by using this option. Here's the color option. When we set the different set of color by using this, according to our need, we can choose the color combination from this variant option. And after that, here's the next option, that is font. We can also set the font of the presentation by using this. When we select any font, it will apply automatically on every slide of your presentation like this. Okay, and here's the effect. It will also work like this. If we add some effect, we'll go for this option, that is the effect. Okay, there you can easily observe these types of symbols appearing in this particular section. And here's the next option, that is background style. If you want to just change the background style, there are different types of background available there. You can use or choose by using this like this. Okay. These are the different types of design themes. You can select one, anyone for your presentation. And here's the different, that is slide. Here are the two types of ratio available for your presentation. When we click on 4:3 means it will show the view on 4:3 ratio. Just see there, the format will something change. Why? Because we change the ratio of our slide. So here we just normally work on 16:9 ratio. Just click on 16:9 ratio. It will normalize. Okay. So in sometimes we have to choose 4:3 ratio and 16:9 ratio according to your monitor. Clear? According to your screen.
Yes, sir.
Anyone. And here's the format. When you click on format, here are the different options. You can choose anyone for your slide. Here we want to just solid color, just click on this and click on this. You will get the slide like this. If you want to just hide the background, then we will just set the background by using this. Choose anyone for your slide. If we just remove the background graphics, then we just apply these options. Otherwise, we just take the object, background object, then it will show like this. Clear? So that is all about of design. And after inserting the design, just press F5. We will get the modified look or a effective look of your presentation. And we just press enter one by one. We will get the slide one by one. And after pressing escape, we will come on the previous screen. And here's the option is that it's transition. It is very important, that is transition. What is the use of transition? When we change the slide by using entering to which type of animation it will show during presentation. When we change the slide. So there are different types of animation available there for the changing of our slide like this. Where we just use curtain like this. Okay. And when we click on apply to all, it means it will show on every slide change. Just press F5 like this. You will get like these types of format. Clear? Again, we just press enter. It will show
Yes,
like
sir.
clear. So these types of
Yes, sir.
get after using these types of transition. Okay. So there are different types of transition available there. You can choose anyone. You can choose anyone for a specific slide. For example, we don't want to apply the same animation or same transition on every slide. Then we just click here and choose the format like this. And again, just click on second slide and choose another format. And just click on third slide and choose another. And by this, we just give the different transition for different slide. Okay. In generally, in profession, we use only a single transition effect for our presentation. Clear? Understood? And just press
Yes, sir.
F5 and you can change the slide like this, kind of like this. You will get the animation of transition like this. Clear? So different transition for the different type slide change. And just press escape to come out. If we want to just change all the slide automatically, here's the option is after. Here's the after. When we click on this, okay, here we set the time as well. We just want to just give this slide, give the 5 minutes for this slide. Then we can click on this and we can set the time. So when we set 2 seconds, it means it will stop or it will stay on the screen for 2 seconds. If we here add 5 seconds, means 5 seconds, it will stay. So we can justify the times according to our content. We have enough time to read out all the content of our slide within the time duration of that particular slide. Okay, so by this option, we can also set the time. If we don't want to give some time span between the slide change, then we just use 0. Okay, and similarly, just repeat here and just click on after. this, and just third, click on third slide and just repeat the same step. Just click on after, and after means it will automatically change without any interaction with your keyboard or mouse. Just press F5, the slide will automatically change the serial. Okay, it will automatically change. Clear? So these types of automated presentation means automatically complete the whole presentation by setting our time from this. Okay, any doubt? If we add some sound with that,
Yes, sir.
maybe we want to add some effect with the slide. Here the option is sound effect. When we click on sound effect, the sound effect, when you click on sound effect, there are different sounds available. You want to just add these sound for your slide, you just click on this and just add for the next sound for the next slide like this. Okay, so you can set different sound for different slide. And when you just slide show, it will show the effect and sound as well. Just click. You will observe the sound. Just see there. Different sounds are
Yes, sir.
attached with the slide change. Okay. These are the effects by using we just make our attractive presentation. Just do all the process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mostly just click on home and just revise all this particular section, and the shortcut key to insert the new slide, that is shortcut key insert new slide, that is CTRL plus M. Okay, CTRL plus M. And if you want to just open the software of PowerPoint by the run dialog box, we have to just press Window plus R. Just press Window plus R. Window plus R, and after that enter Power PNT. Power PNT. Just only type the Power PNT, not double in quotes, in the run dialog box, and click on OK. It will open. Okay. So it is the key by which we just open the PowerPoint software by using run dialog box. When we press Window plus R, we will get these types of option, and we type Power PNT, and we just type Power PNT and click on OK. You will get the software open. Clear? So that is all about of PowerPoint.
Yes, sir.
And just revise this and just use all the objects. Okay. So you just click on
Yes, sir.
insert here, and here we use also the screenshot. So just use this option as well, and transition and design. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Just make
Understood.
and just show me. Okay.